Okay, we're on G40 here. Go check out the waterfall. God, I wore these summer gloves and not doing the job. And what's interesting is, it looks like the bulldozer's been through. What's interesting is that I wasn't going to wear any gloves at all today, thinking it was going to be warm enough. That would have been a mistake. I've got some warm gloves back at the truck, and it's now several miles away. This was a bad landslide at one time. The whole side of that mountain came down. You don't want to be riding when that happens. You don't want to go through there, I tell you. It looks pretty unassuming until you ride into it and you find out that it's quicksand. That'll get your attention. And you're buried up here. Axle, and then you step off the bike and you sink in 2 feet. I know from experience. Rocky as shit. Should warm up like 10 degrees. If it was maybe 55, it wouldn't be so bad. I absolutely hate the cold. Summer can't come soon enough. Waterfall up here. Let's see if I'll ride into it. I've crashed here at least once. pick my line. Not too bad. Waterfall's ripping pretty good. I'll take some pictures.